To turn pages using Bluetooth, start by pairing your switch to the device if it isn't already connected. Go to the Settings app, then Accessibility, then Switch Control. Switch Control should be off. If Switch Control is on, the recipe will not work correctly. Select Recipes. Under Recipes, select Turn Pages. You will notice that both of your switches were automatically assigned to right to left swipe and left to right swipe. Make sure Timeout is turned off. At the top of the screen, select Recipes to go back to the main Recipes menu. Select Launch Recipe, then select Turn Pages. At the top of the screen, select Recipes to go back to the main Recipes menu, then back again to Switch Control. Turn Switch Control on. When Switch Control turns on, you will see a message appear in the middle of your device that says your switches are configured to use the Turn Pages recipe. Open the Books app. Select a book the user would like to read. When the user activates the yellow switch on Bluetooth, the page will turn backwards. When the user activates the blue switch top on Bluetooth, the page will turn forward. Once finished with the ebook, you can turn the recipe off by going to the Settings app, then Accessibility, Switch Control, and turn Switch Control off. You must also go to Recipes, Launch Recipe, and change this back to none.